Okay, and there is another category that we need to explain. This about the voice, grammatical category of voice. Why? Because in English, in this voice as well as in Spanish, we can have active voice and passive voice. So it is important to have clear this category. Why? Because, for example, when we have this active voice and passive voice, and in this case, in active voice, we have, for example, in simple past, Paulo Coelho wrote The Alchemist. So in this case, the object is the alchemist and the subject is Paulo Coelho. But sometimes we need to call the attention of the object. That's why we use passive voice. So in this case, we say the alchemist was written by Paulo Coelho. So the one that was the object of the sentence now is coming to be the subject. Okay, that is for calling the attention, and always in the structure in passive voice there are two elements that are going to be very important to be used. First is verb to be, and the other part is the past participle of the verb. Always in passive voice tense, we're going to have past participle of the verb and verb to be. Look at the other example. You say the guy killed the woman. Okay, the guy killed the woman. The woman is the subject, is the object of the sentence. But now in this case, when it's passive voice, now it's going to be the subject. This case, the woman was killed by the guy. Okay, another example, and we can make this in different tenses. For example, this one is in the first two one were in simple past. Now look at this in present continuous or present progressive. John is painting my house. So this case I'm going to say like my house is being painted by John. Another example in this case going to be in present perfect, like Fleming has discovered the penicillin. So in this case, penicillin is what? Okay, very well. That's the object. Now it's going to be the subject. The penicillin has been discovered by Fleming. And the other part say, for example, people speak Portuguese in Brazil. This case is in simple present. Look in this case, Portuguese is spoken in Brazil. Is verb to be spoken, past participle of the verb. Last example is in active, is like a workman will repair the computer tomorrow. In future will be like the computer will be repaired tomorrow. Sometimes it's not necessary to use the preposition by, because it's not necessary to put the doer or the action. Okay, this category called voice. Thank you so much.